The TSLDRV 2024 Sunshade Roof is a custom-designed sunshade that offers a perfect fit for Tesla Model Y models from 2020 to 2024. Thanks to its no-sag design and precision manufacturing, it provides ultimate sun protection utilizing exclusive silver dot reflection technology and ice-sensitive fabric material to block out 99% of harmful ultraviolet rays and glare. Constructed from high-density, ice-sensitive fabric with a 7-layer structure, it effectively reduces the interior temperature of your vehicle, ensuring a cool and comfortable environment. Installation is a breeze, with clear instructions provided, and it can be set up within 1 minute, making it a convenient accessory for your car. The sunshade comes with a 2-year warranty, and TSLDRV offers excellent customer service, providing prompt responses to any queries or issues. Priced at $59.99, this top-rated product, with an average review score of 4.9 from 64 reviews, is a popular choice among Tesla Model Y owners.